Firstly, turn the vehicle's ignition and side lights on. Then connect the receiver to the trailer board with the battery disconnected. Insert the transmitter into the vehicle trailer socket, or turn on the switch box in the back of your patrol vehicle, depending on your kit configuration. Hold the receiver pairing button while inserting the battery. Keep the pairing button held down for at least 5 seconds after inserting the battery. The side lights will turn on around 4 seconds into this process. Please note that pairing may take up to 10 seconds when you release the pairing button. If pairing has been successful, the hazard lights will flash 5 times. If pairing has been unsuccessful, the fog light will flash 5 times, and you must repeat the process. If you cannot pair your components following the method shown, try connecting or switching the transmitter on after you have released the pairing button.